I walk in the park. I walk in the park.
I sit on the bench. I sit on the bench.
The tree is big and green. The tree is big and green.
I smell a nice flower. I smell a nice flower.
I feed the little ducks. I feed the little ducks.
The sun is hot today. The sun is hot today. Look at the pretty butterfly. Look at the pretty butterfly.
The birds sing sweet songs. The birds sing sweet songs.
I have a blue balloon. I have a blue balloon.
I walk my happy dog. I walk my happy dog.
I read an interesting book. I read an interesting book.
This leaf is bright yellow. This leaf is bright yellow.
I eat sweet ice cream. I eat sweet ice cream.
The cloud looks like sheep. The cloud looks like sheep.
I keep the park clean. I keep the park clean.
The wind is very cool. The wind is very cool.
I take a nice photo. I take a nice photo.
I run every morning. I run every morning.
The squirrel likes nuts. The squirrel likes nuts.
I meet my friend here. I meet my friend here.
I ride my red bike. I ride my red bike.
These flowers are purple. These flowers are purple.
The frog jumps high. The frog jumps high.
Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic.
I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes.
Exercise is good for me. Exercise is good for me.
I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea.
Nature is beautiful here. Nature is beautiful here.
The fountain is very beautiful. The fountain is very beautiful.
The bee makes sweet honey. The bee makes sweet honey.
I eat a red apple. I eat a red apple.
I stand on the bridge. I stand on the bridge.
The red kite flies high. The red kite flies high.
I listen to nice music. I listen to nice music.